going on, guys? Gonna start up a new video. This is gonna be part 2 of the Civic engine build series, and big stuff, exciting stuff. We have an empty engine stand, but not for long. I got the block back, sitting in the back of the fit right now, and I'm gonna bring it in. First thing to get some stuff organized for the head, but for the most part, that's gonna go off to the machine shop tomorrow. But for now, we're gonna start assembling the block in this video. Real quick, since I should be getting the engine back from the machine shop tomorrow, I'm just gonna film a quick time lapse of me disassembling the head, just so you guys can have something to watch while I get some more footage rolling. So, having a kind of a problem getting these, I guess they're the intake side LMAs, super fucking stuck. So, I may just have the machine shop take them out. We'll see. I sprayed PB Blaster on them, and I'm going to come back in a little bit and try and get them out one more time. But if I can't get it, I'll just pay the machine shop to do it. Okay, so here it is. I got the LMAs out. The way that I did it was I put vice grips on the end and I used a screwdriver to just kind of pry it out of there. Probably not ideal, but I got it out of there. So this thing's all ready to go to the machine shop. I probably should pull the sensors out of the side of it, but for the most part, we're all set. All right, here she is. This is the block that I sent off to the machine shop. They bored it over 1/2 mil. They hot tanked it and decked it, and they also resized the rods to accept ARP rod bolts. They polished the crank, and what else? Balanced everything. Yeah. Total came out to a little bit over $900. I worked pretty closely with a shop called Autosport Seattle. They did great work. I'm going to be bringing my head to them soon. Can't recommend them enough. Super easy to get along with. Great guys. They do a lot of vintage British stuff. But yeah, I'm going to get the crank dropped in this thing and plastic gauge it, since I'm going to be using this crank girdle. So I got new OEM GSR main bolts in here that I'm going to throw in and torque down. And that means I'm just going to plastic gauge everything just to double check that all my clearances are good. So much shit on the table. I'm in the middle of doing my dash stuff. That's going to be a separate video though. Get some gloves on, let's get after it. Alright, so the first step that I'm going to do, I'm just going to unscrew all the main caps. It's nice and clean, so I don't have to wear gloves yet. Put them all in a box. I'm going to just clean out all the oil passages of the block. Next, I'm going to crack open this fresh set of Maul bearings on the table so I don't lose anything. These are standard size bearings, Maul Clevite. And they're going to go, the groove side goes on the side of the block, and the solid side goes on the side with the crank. Take a couple of these guys, throw them in there. gonna grab my thrust washers and just put them right here just so I don't forget. That would be no good. Alright, here comes the crank. Try my best not to touch the journals. Okay. So my next step is I'm going to put plastic gauge along all the main journals, and I'm going to torque down the main caps. I have a bunch of specs over here on a sheet that I'm going to refer to. I printed off Protomand, and we'll see how it happens, how it goes. Alright, here we are. The crank is in. Look how smooth it turns. One finger. Fucking awesome. My next step, I think I'm going to clean the front of the engine off. I'm going to put the oil pump on. Alright, so once again, here's the oil pump I'm using. It is an ACL orbital race pump. Yeah, I'm going to throw this on the engine real quick. Put a little bit of silicone on the front main seal. Put a little bit of silicone on the O-ring. Don't forget the O-ring. I'm going to seal it on with some Toyota seal packing. I prefer this over Honda Bond. I think it sticks way better, but that's just me. Alright, I got the oil pump installed on the engine. It's just hand tight. I'm going to torque it down now. The torque for the 10 millimeters is, I think it's 8 foot-pounds or 96 inch-pounds. And then the 12 mils are 17 foot-pounds. Okay, so I just got the oil pump installed. I think that's as far as I'm going to go tonight. Honestly, probably for this video. But yeah, I'm making some slow progress on this thing. Thank you guys for watching, as always. Please subscribe. Definitely more episodes coming out soon. Thanks. Bye.